sun laughs in its merry way. What adventures will the girls catch on their final day?
dishwasher liquid was supposed to do. And lemon in it. That's gonna be with some. Forgot the wrongness. Half of my hand was gonna last.
Yeah?
Half of my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will wash it.
I said, ugh. Yeah, if I try to share something, oh my god. Look at the other bag. The green bag there, you looking there? So this would be very interesting if the dogs.
Sarah,
It's not in there?
I don't see the saltfish. No, sir, hold on.
My dog now come with the fella. Starfish. There's no starfish in here. But dog with a name starfish though, just source of starfish just so. This is salt.
You look, Sarah, I made me nasty so good. I remember my eye was something.
My eye not good there.
Oh, maybe my eye.
Let me put that here, my shirt. Oh man, the starfish. It has to be here. It has to. It just has to. Then probably just
After I feed the dog come and teeth the saltfish.
what do you get when you have high blood pressure?
So what we gonna cook?
Oh,
Let's go just cook the butter bean, run down butter bean,
with corn and
come planting.
oh boy. No, I really can't make the dog teeth for the saltfish though.
I know, man. I'll joke this. Remember, Oh my God.
I didn't even know salted fish.
A fish, but still, like,
Yeah, but it's so highly salted.
saltfish not cheap. Not flat though, not like this. Like Africa, like little, baking soda, sugar, butter. I will fry them really small. I will cook on a fry them. Yeah. I forgot that part.
Now blend this shit.
Yeah.
Turn it on. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry for Maga dog.
Maga
Maga dog.
dog.
Turn around bite you. Perfect example. Damn good.
And I look at them and never say, Mommy, don't do it. Like I want food from them one next year.
I think it's over there. So yeah.
God do make one food from there because cooking wet today.
What else? What a couple of them on the yeah. Look at the fish. What else? You see that something else sitting there a while ago? Like an eel? You see? Oh, no.
Bama also one day.
Yeah.
Look like
Oh, look at that pretty blue fish.
what is this? You see this? You see how this something there?
Yeah.
I want in there.
Push on it.
I don't remember how I used to go there. Ooh, look at the fishes here. Oh my god. Little pet fishes. Julie, that's okay in the water, you know.
You are right. Not sure I'm gonna get my type yet.
even want to touch it though.
Ow! Ow!
What the f is that in there?
What the I don't know what it is. It's so big. I don't want to touch it. Oh wow! I don't know what it looks huge. Wait there. Sorry, I'm afraid.
It's still right there, dog. I don't want to touch it.
Oh wow! It look big. Yeah. Look how shine right now. What you gonna do in the shirt?
Not as in, when we catch it
Oh.
with a sucker. That's how we carry it.
Wait there. Ready? Afraid.
Just don't look at it. Hold on. Let the water touch it first. I'm gonna need to stick it there. Just that all this first. Just keep it kind of down with the water a little. Just keep it kind of down with the water. Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it. Just go for your water.
What the cat? Where the cat go?
Ready? Circle. Hold on. Make sure you have one first. Just don't keep it near to you. Okay?
Hold up, something. Hold this.
Hold on. Put it down flat so I can take it up.
Take the first.
It is an eel. Look at her.
Evina? Oh, what? Yeah.
So don't kind of say, oh, we'll come here and get sick.
No. All in here, all this time.
Being so cute, dog. Look at the eyes, bro.
So we didn't get a fish, but we got an eel.
No. Actually, this is my first time seeing an eel this close. Like not
And it's
even in
huge.
water.
It's
Yes.
Let me see
At first when I took it up, I was like, yo,
it weigh about
this
15
look
pounds.
like something there. But when I saw the skin, I was like, oh hell no. The rock probably had a oh. I don't know, something they chop, so I forgot. I guess I can't make him. I don't know. Because this time the zipper and the cap. Nope. I can't name.
Lord, it's time to podcast.
Stop.
Don't
know, I cannot, well, not say I can't stand, because I don't think I actually looked properly for it. You see the lights are thing up there still? Is it? This is not seawater. What you say we are doing again?
Fry. Fry dumpling, fry plantain, and we're gonna do curry. What's that curry? The butter meat?
Yeah.
Coconut curry butter.
Curry, yeah. I can put the we can use to the current and just chop them up.
In it?
Really?
You want to put it in it?
You know, but just boil them out. You know, the,
Yeah, in the coconut milk.
Yeah. So this is going to be like a Johnny cake kind of thing.
Fry dumpling. Look, it's another flat bun. It was kind of interesting. Oh. It was interesting, but my item never did have enough still.
You know? Yeah. One.
Terminus?
Just wait for that. Yeah.
Should I boil this first and then add the seasoning? So I'll fry the seasoning a little bit.
Yeah.
My hands are on. Nothing shall waste. Yeah, find oxygen.
No, as in when you're ready for blue.
Oh.
Just said it. Put the sauce in there?
Yeah, put the sauce on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bad.
Spice on up.
Yeah. Don't.
Ah,
Nice one.
it's nice though, it's nice. Oh, it have the
Yeah, I don't want.
the easy pull.
Uh-uh.
Access.
I don't want the juice.
Once they're ready, but
Yeah. Put a little bit of that because it comes with it.
that looks good.
Not what we planned, but it's never do.
Fish in that would have nice too, so you know.
Can you imagine? That bad don't.
Mad.
I can't imagine what it would have been, but anyway. Our fault. We should have carried us off in our bed.
So,
hell? What else? If this is what hell feel like? I never either hot.
I don't wanna go, you tell me. Ooh, baby, I love it.
I love it, I love
it. And it's a lie, the man of my dreams, the one who's gonna show love, or at least it seems. With curling my skin and curly my hair. Woo! Finally, you come along. The way I feel about you just can't be wrong. If you only knew the way I feel about you, I just can't describe it. Oh, baby. Right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it. Na-na-na. Na-na-na. Yeah. What do you feel about you? It just can't be wrong. Can I use the one that's system?
Which one are you?
Yeah. See, well, the darkest. It's the Moco. It's a Cocoa Black Skin. Cocoa Black Skin. Hot. Say them is hot, them is not. The fool me. Lord of mercy. When I get my wiki this year, now you can see the dose still in this one.
Shit. Let's show this taste now. Great. Cheers, good luck. What's in it?
The I like this, but the dumpling, so you know the fire issue. So I like the coconut curry thing in. If I get the fish out of the dumpling. You know, I like the coconut thing in. But the dumpling, so I'll be more fresh in the middle, but throughout the fire and then
I wonder what fiddles your mind, Watcher.